Hi guys, in this video I would like to talk about how you can make money on Instagram. Let's dive in. First of all, to make money on Instagram, the number one thing you want to do on this platform is to build trust. You want to build trust. People must be able to trust you with their money. People must be able to know that you are an authority in the niche. So what you want to do is to craft a niche for yourself. Like you have to be an authority in a particular niche so you can earn money from that niche. Now, let's say one of the ways you can make money on Instagram is to be an influencer. So you can be an influencer who talks about fashion brands. So when you consistently post about fashion items or you talk about fashion, gradually you'll be building fan base on that niche, and brands from across the globe will be able to reach out to you and present you an offer. So you can also build a brand around fashion. You can build a brand around jewelries or anything whatsoever. So let's look at an example of someone that is actually making money on Instagram. As you can see, this person now, she is into skincare products. So she created a profile and she highlighted everything she's into on her profile, and then she consistently starts to post about her products. Now, this person will actually be able to sell. As you can see, she has included the direct link to her store on her bio here. So when you jump on this profile now, when you go through it and you watch some of our videos where she talks about different products she's selling, or she talks about some of her offers, you'll be able to contact her from this page. Now, when you contact her, she'll be able to sell a market to you, and that way she's already making money on Instagram. Another way you can make money on Instagram is to talk about brands or promote brands. Let's say you are consistently posting about real estate, so you can be an affiliate for a real estate firm where you help them to market their offers, their land, their duplexes, or anything whatsoever. As you can see, this guy now is into real estate and construction, so he consistently posts about real estate and construction. This guy will probably pitch his offer to some of his audiences, and from that way you'll be making money on Instagram. And there are some other ways you can also make money. Like you can even set up a Shopify store, and then you put the direct link to your Shopify store on your profile, so that when people are searching for anything that has to do with what you have on your store, they can be able to to reach you and buy from you. That's one of the ways to make money on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.